Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ladytroll token. Now the Ladytroll token is about to start their pre-sale in about half a day or so on Pinksale.finance. They're trending number 3 right now. People are anticipating this pre-sale. Name of the token is Ladytroll and ticker symbol is Ladytroll, all one word. This is going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a full audit, KYC, SAFU badge. We're going to go over the information on the Ladytroll token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Ladytroll token is coming. SAFU, so they have a SAFU badge by CoinSalt. You can check that out on Pinksale. They also have a full audit by Solid Proof, and you can review the PDF of that. And they have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to Pinksale to verify who they are for security reasons. Now you can find this token just by searching Ladytroll in the Launchpad list section on Pinksale. Or it might even be trending in the top 12. Like I said, right now it's trending number 3. It says no tax on this token. 100K marketing budget. Constant calls and shilling. Dex View hot trending. Dex Tools trending. AveDex trending. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap fast track. LP locked for 1 year. Top tier central exchange listings. Banner ads. Top influencers. And the most aggressive marketing push. Now, pre-sale is going to start in about half a day. It starts exactly February 8th at 19 hours UTC time. And there's no hard cap on this pre-sale. So basically, it's just going to continue until time runs out. And it runs for 3 days. It goes all the way until February 11th, 19 hours UTC time. Soft cap is 5 BNB. So initial market cap estimate for this project is $2,423. There's 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 10 billion tokens. Now, if you missed this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens and turn on that notification bell. Now, if you missed the pre-sale, though, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Ladytroll token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, ladytroll.com. Now you may have to, actually you will not have to set slippage, maybe 0.5% at the most because it says no taxes. And liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 365 days. Now they also have a quick light audit here by BlockSafu, and there's no warnings on it whatsoever. It says owner cannot mint new tokens, owner cannot set max transaction amount, owner cannot set blacklist, cannot pause trading, cannot set fees, and proxy contract and token is not found. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 54.14% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 30.85% of the tokens go to liquidity, 15% of the tokens go to the ecosystem. Now, on their webpage, ladytroll.com, you can find a chart once the token goes live, white paper, how to buy, roadmap, contact information, social links. So Ladytroll is a groundbreaking meme coin inspired by the ethos of disrupting the rampant chaos in the meme coin ecosystem. So there's been many troll tokens that have been very popular, but one in particular within the last few months it was very popular, and so now we have the Ladytroll token following in their footsteps here. So with a total supply of 10 billion tokens, Ladytroll is designed to provide liquidity, foster community engagement, and revolutionize the meme coin space. So they outline key features, roadmap, the vision of Ladytroll, along with the guidance of how to participate in this exciting venture. In the wild west of meme coins, where chaos reigns supreme, Ladytroll emerges as a beacon of order and innovation, inspired by the indomitable spirit of Elon Musk, our chief troll officer, and that was also another very popular token, the CTO token, Chief Troll Officer. Ladytroll ventures forth armed with determination and a pair of scissors to cut through the madness and establish a new standard in the meme coin universe. Now, Ladytroll's vision is a meme world free from the chaos of fork, spam, Pepe, pork coins. Our mission is to flip the board and dominate the meme universe with Ladytroll mayhem, bringing a new era of stability, transparency, and community-driven innovation. Now, it takes you through step-by-step on their page how to get this token off Pancakeswap. In case you didn't understand how I said it earlier, you can just follow the steps on their page. Now, they do have a roadmap on here. Starting with phase 1 is build the social media channels, establish a social presence on Telegram, Twitter, etc., develop and launch a website, audit the smart contract for security, Seifu badge. Now, Seifu, by the way, stands for Secure Asset Fund for Users, in case you didn't know, and the Know Your Customer, KYC protocols. And then conduct the pre-sale, pink sale, and that is where we're at right now. Coming up next, initiate post-launch marketing efforts. Then phase 2 is going to be listing on Pancakeswap. Facilitate listings on central exchanges. Intensify marketing campaigns. Announce partnerships with major entities. Implement top trending campaign strategies. Secure listings on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and then we got expand markets and partnerships. Then we got extend reach across the Binance Smart Chain. Then we got trending with 1 million users, more central exchange listings, and then achieve status across multiple platforms. And then it says for inquiries, if you want to reach out, contact@ladytroll.com is their email. So go check out this project. They're trending in the top 12 right now on Pink Sale. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes, leave a comment, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.